Hi guys, it is Hardest Info channel and today I have ALCATEL 1B 2022 and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. Our first step is swipe up the screen and go to the calendar where we can change a view for a month to be easily. And now we press date of when we want to add our event, maybe 18th of January, and when we click there we have this plus, and now we choose event. Now we can add title of our event. There we can set when event start and finish, or we can set it will be all day. The repost, we can set repost of this event every day, every week, every month, every year, or custom. Now there we can add people of our guests, add video conference to event, location of it, notification to it, and we can change color or which we see in our calendar. Maybe this event will be yellow. Add description to it, add attainment, and that's all. To save it in our calendar we press that and we have it right there. We can click and custom it by click on that, click on that, and we can custom it again. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.